everyone. In Health Check, it is said the eyes are the windows to the soul. A local doctor is taking a closer look at the eyes to find out what's going on inside the brain. It's fascinating science that is helping a local doctor diagnose and treat brain-based dysfunctions.
New friend, John.
This was 7-year-old John less than a year ago. He had only a few words, difficulty with attention, and was not very coordinated.
When he was 2 years old, Mom noticed that he wasn't saying as many words as other children.
Now you can close your eyes.
Years of therapy helped some, but it wasn't until John came to see Dr. Victor Pedro, a chiropractic neurologist, that there was a major breakthrough.
Okay, good. Now the other hand.
We put him through an evaluation, and we found out what was wrong with his vestibular system, which was at the root of his particular problem. And we improved the processing of his brain. We didn't treat any of his labels, and we were able to get that functionality up.
Okay, play some piano now. Can you play piano?
These days, John has 146 words, is very social, and plays sports. So how Dr. Pedro accomplished this?
So we're just going to put these goggles on you.
Dr. Pedro walks us through the diagnosis process with 8-year-old Matt. Right off the bat, he can see Matt's right eye is droopy. Now he needs to find out why.
You're going to see like a tennis match, and you're going to see the little light going from left to right.
Matt is asked to follow light as it travels across a screen. All the time, through this young boy's eyes, Dr. Pedro can see how his brain is functioning and find out what part of his brain may need more stimulation.
Come over here.
Then he devises a treatment.
We're going to have you're just going to look at this, you're just going to look at the ball in the center of the screen.
He may use a few different modalities. In this case, one of them is visual, then manipulation.
Okay, I'm just going to have you relax just like this, all right? I want you to take a deep breath out. Look up. Manipulation is a very powerful tool because it is what drives both of the brain's pacemakers. The brain has 2 pacemakers. Follow this for me.
Minutes later, after what seems to be non-traditional treatment, Matt's right eyelid is no longer droopy.
It's very exciting because it's really where the state of research and the state of medicine is at the moment.
Dr. Pedro pioneered this program called Cortical Integrative Therapy. He says it has been effective in treating everything from Parkinson's to speech and language disorders and ADHD. In fact, right now he's recruiting young patients for an ADHD study that's being funded by a legislative grant.